Fix an HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 or 9020 series printer when a load paper error message displays, even with paper loaded. Poor paper quality or incorrectly loaded paper can cause the printer to not pick up or feed paper. Open the input tray. Remove all paper from the input tray. Shine a flashlight inside the input tray area, removing any paper or other obstructions found. Examine the paper removed from the input tray and remove any pieces that are bent, wrinkled, torn, or a different size or type. Fan the stack of paper and then align the corners by tapping the stack on a flat surface. Load paper into the input tray and adjust any guides so they rest on the edge of the paper. Push the stack into the tray until it stops. Close the input tray so the paper remains in position. Closing the tray too quickly can cause paper feed issues. If a second tray is installed, open the tray. Adjust the paper width and length guides so they touch the edge of the paper, and then close the tray. Pull out the output tray. Try to print a document. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Dust and debris on the paper pick rollers can cause paper pickup and feed problems. Clean the rollers to help resolve these issues. To clean the rollers, gather the following materials: a lint-free cloth and distilled or bottled water. With the printer still on, go to the rear and disconnect the power cord and all other cables, and then unplug the power cord from its power source. You must disconnect the printer power cord from its power source to avoid injury or damaging the printer. Push in the output tray. Remove the input tray and set it aside. If installed, remove the second input tray and set it aside. With one hand holding the scanner lid, rotate the printer to access the bottom. Keep one hand on the scanner lid at all times to prevent damaging the printer. Locate the gray paper pick rollers using a flashlight if necessary. Dampen a lint-free cloth with water and squeeze to remove any excess water. Clean the rollers with the lint-free cloth to remove any buildup or debris. Rotate each roller as you finish cleaning a section to clean the entire roller. While still holding the scanner lid, lift and rotate the printer to its normal upright position. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and the printer. The printer turns on automatically. Reinstall the input tray. For printers with two trays, reinstall the second input tray. Pull out the output tray. Try to print a document again. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.